Hello fellow YouTubers and Tacoma owners. In today's video I'm going to be doing a little experiment. For those of us with the '05 to 2015 Tacoma, the 6-speed manual, many of us are probably familiar with the two-piece shifter design and this rubber bushing here that goes bad and causes very sloppy shifting. So I've heard of different people using different methods to fix this. Obviously, you could just replace this whole thing, but I'm too cheap to want to spend $150 on one of these. So I've heard of people using epoxy, and I have heard from one person that these two pieces actually separate. I gave mine a pretty good tug, and it definitely did not want to come apart, and I don't want to completely destroy anything. So I'm going to try my own method, and what I'm going to do is drill a hole here and basically just fill it up with JB Weld and see what happens. I have no idea if this is going to work, but I really don't have anything to lose, so let's give it a try. Okay, so I've got my hole drilled, and I'm going to be using these little JB Welds things to insert the these little syringes to insert the JB Welds into here. I hope I have enough. All the auto parts store had was 3 tubes, so we will see. I guess the one thing that I'm unsure of is if it's not enough, if it just causes it to kind of fall apart and crack. I don't know, we'll find out. I'll have to keep y'all updated in the comments, but we'll see if that's enough. I don't know. I think as long as I get the top half here, it should be enough, but we'll find out. Okay, so it looks like it is full. I used about 2.5 tubes of JB Welds. Not 100%, but it does seem to be right up to that level. So now I'm going to just let it sit overnight, and we will report back tomorrow. All right, so it's been about 24 hours. It feels pretty solid. I went ahead and filled in the rest of this bushing area just because I had the extra JB Weld. The one thing I have heard about these when they're like solid or one piece is there's excessive noise and vibration. The only thing left to do is install it and see if that is the case. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the bushing here, get it installed, and if there's a ridiculous amount of vibration, I'll probably get a different shifter. If not, I'll just keep running it. Okay, so update here. I've been driving the truck for about 2 weeks, and it hasn't loosened up at all or broken. It is 1,000 times better. Really, the only slop I'm getting is just a little bit within the actual mechanism within the transmission. But for like 30 bucks worth of JB Welds on a truck with over 200,000 miles, I would absolutely recommend trying this to anybody that has the tools and wants to give it a try. So worked out for me.